Hello friends, and welcome to the channel. Today we will show you how to download and install Centos 9 on VirtualBox. So, let's start. First open your browser and search for Centos. Open centos.org. You will find Centos Linux, which is version 7. And you will find also Centos Stream. There is version 8 and version 9. Depending on the architecture of your laptop or PC, choose the file and click it to download. I already downloaded it, so I'll cancel it now. Open VirtualBox. Click New. Give it a name. I'll name it Centos Stream 9. Change the location if you want. Choose the Centos ISO file we downloaded before. Skip unattended installation. Next. Change the RAM and the CPU depending on your physical machine. Next. Change the hard disk size as needed. I'll give it 30 GB. Next. Finish. Open Virtual Machine Settings. Go to Storage. Remove Floppy. Click OK. Start the virtual machine. Choose the first option, to install Centos Stream 9. Let me zoom it in. Choose the language, and click Continue. We can change keyboard language from here. Change the date and time from here. Click on Installation Destination. Click Custom. Done. Click here to create them automatically. It will create them for you. We can change the swap size to 1 GB. Then delete the root partition and create it again to include the available space to it. Select Mount to Root, and leave the capacity empty to take all available space. Add mount point. It's now 28 GB. Done. This to confirm it will destroy and format the disk and create all these partitions. Accept changes. Click Software Selection. You can choose minimal installation. But for me, I will choose Server with GUI. You can select needed additional software, but I'll install all additional software. After selecting needed software, click Done. Click Root Password. Write the root password and confirm it. Allow root SSH login. If the password was not complex, it will ask you to click Done twice to confirm. First Done. Second Done. Also, you can check the network from here. Click Begin Installation. It will take some time depending on your physical and virtual machine. Installation finished. Click Reboot System. After rebooting, click Start Setup. You can turn off location settings from here. Next, you can log in with online account from here, or skip. Write your full name and username. Next, type your password. Confirm it. Next, start using Centos Stream. Take tour or click No thanks. And now you have Centos Stream 9 installed on your VirtualBox. That's it. I hope the video was useful for you, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and like the video and share it. Thank you for watching.